sleep ko for today. Pero nakatulog naman ako. Medyo low tide din. Diyan natulog si Ruth. Ako dun sa dulo. Sa kusina. Morning guys. So, second day namin dito sa Nexasa Cove. And I just woke up. Ang lamig. So, natulog kami dito sa may beach front. Napakahangin. Akala ko bumabagyo. Comfy ba sa loob?
Well, okay naman. Yeah. I can't complain.
That's the luxury hotel in this place. So, low tide today, guys. Doggy! Hi, baby! Malalim po yun. What's up? Just walk. Merong river dito. Sa time of Victoria.
By around 10 a.m., we are already ready to go back sa main island. Pero dadaanan muna namin yung ibang mga cove. So, we just paid 1,500 pesos here sa ating resort. Payment yun for the entrance, for the cottage, and yeah. Yung 1,500 na yan. Tapos separate payment for our bangka. Okay guys, so nandito tayo sa Talisay.
So next natin guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Anawangin. So ito na itsura niya. Meron na silang gate. Yung river nandun. So, para makapasok, kailangan may ka. Magpaalam sa guard. So, hindi na siya libre. So, ito yung parang river. So, pwede mag-camp dun. Actually, ang ganda dun, no? Okay guys, so hindi tayo nakapasok dun sa loob kasi ginagawa para so, bawal daw pumasok. So, dito lang talaga sa labas. At least, we were here in Anawangin.
Yung ibang gamit iiwan.
Almost 12 o'clock. So, nandito tayo sa Punta. And ngayon naman, ang next plan natin is to visit Liuliwa. So, from here, sakay tayo ng trike and then bus going there.
The whole boat ride was almost 1 hour din.
Iba sa San Antonio. Pag sakay nyo ng tricycle, dun sa terminal, sabi nyo sakayan po ng bus papuntang Iba. Ang sasakayin nyo yung diretsong Iba na, tapos pababa kayo.
So pwede kaming pumara ng bus?
After meeting up with our tour operator, we book a trike going to the bus station, then ride a bus going to Iba, Zambales.
Sa ating bus stop. Antay lang kami ng bus going to Iba. Nandito tayo guys sa San Felipe Public Market. So dito tayo sasakay ng tricycle going to Liuliwa.
Dito sa Liuliwa, we book a hotel called Mosaic Liuliwa Beach Resort and paid 3,442 for a night stay, which is already good na for 4 people.
Here sa Liuliwa. Right now, hanapin natin yung hotel natin, which is the Mosaic Hotel.
a family room. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 bunk beds. Yan, so right now nandito tayo sa Mosaic Resort and Restaurant, and we'll be staying here until tomorrow. Done! Happy babies! Yay! So, punta na tayo ng beach. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning. Medyo late na, pero wala pa namang araw. Liuliwa is actually a good alternative for La Union, especially that you can also do surfing lessons here in Liuliwa. A typical surfing lesson rate would be about 750 pesos per hour. Marami rin mga ATV rentals here for 800 pesos for 50 minutes. But instead, we decided to just chill at the beach and do a banana boat ride. 50, tapos na kami. Tapos na mag-banana boat, yan lang yan. In summary, if you would be deciding to do the same itinerary, a night stay at Nagsasa and another night stay at Liuliwa Beach, you might be spending an estimated amount of 5,800 pesos per head. Mas makakatipid ka if you're going there in groups of 4. What do you think? Worth it pa?
3,000?
For more travels, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and put a thumbs up on this video. Until the next trip, this is Nogdog in the City, signing off.